Imagine this. Someone at work or at a family gathering asks you, "So, how was your day?" Most people over 35 freeze for a second, translate in their head, and then give a short, boring answer like, "Fine, thanks." But what if you could answer naturally and confidently like a native speaker?
That's exactly what we're solving today.
I'm Olivia.
And I'm Michael. Welcome to Qlip English.
In this episode, we're going to learn how to talk about your daily routine from morning to night in a natural, easy way. No stiff textbook language, just real English you can use tomorrow.
Let's make it simple and practical.
Think about your typical morning. Instead of saying, "I wake up," you can say, "I usually wake up around 6:30. First, I make coffee and sit by the window for 10 minutes. That quiet time helps me start the day calmly."
That already sounds much more natural. Now for the workday. You can say, I take the train to the office. The journey takes about 45 minutes, so I use that time to listen to a podcast or plan my day.
In the evening, instead of just saying, "I go home," try this. After work, I change into comfortable clothes, cook a simple dinner, and then spend time with my family. We usually talk about our day while eating.
Notice how we use small connectors like first, after that, usually, and around. These words make your English flow smoothly and sound like a real person, not a student.
Let me tell you a quick story. Last month, I spoke with a man named Khalid, 47 years old, who works in logistics. He told me, "I understand English well, but when my boss asks about my day, I sound like a robot." After practicing these simple patterns for 2 weeks, his boss actually said to him, "You sound different lately, more confident."
That's the power of speaking naturally instead of perfectly.
So here's your challenge this week. Every evening, take just 1 minute and describe your day out loud in English. Use the phrases we learned. Don't correct yourself. Just speak.
Then come back here and tell us in the comments, what is one thing you do every day that makes you happy? Write it in English. Even one sentence is perfect.
If this video helped you feel more confident talking about your day, please like it. Subscribe to Qlip English and share it with someone who wants to speak more naturally.
In the next video, we're going to share the 1% native listening secret. This lesson completely changed how thousands of our listeners understand English. Make sure you don't miss it.
Thank you for spending this time with us. Keep practicing every day.
See you in the next video. Bye.